If you need anti-fouling paint removal, we can help you get your boat back in the water faster. Using the latest abrasive blasting technology, we can remove anti-fouling paint quickly and thoroughly. Since our process uses water, the dust plume is drastically minimized. We use recycled glass abrasive, which is 100% environmentally inert. We can remove paint from fiberglass, aluminum, and steel boats. We can remove paint, epoxy, rust, and even non-skid. Our process can even remove the heaviest marine growth. If you want your boat back in the water faster, give us a call or visit our website.